Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel Sandip's Techfeed, and as promised in our last video, we will show you how to download Instagram Reels or videos on your laptop. So friends, to start with, you can open your internet browser. So it can be Chrome, Firefox or Internet Explorer. The next thing is to access to your Instagram account. So we will open our Instagram account. So this is our Instagram account. You can search for the reels in two ways. Either you can access to the celebrities or the artists that you follow on Instagram, or else you can just check for Instagram reels in the search option. So here are a few accounts which has uploaded the Instagram reels. Else you just access to any celebrities account. Let's take Kirti Sanan's account for an example. She is a famous Bollywood star, so she has uploaded a lot of reels over here. Let's click on it. On the right hand corner you will find three dots. Just click on that. So in the drop down there are a lot of options: report, go to post, tagged accounts, share to, copy link, embedded and cancel. So our action area will be copying the link. So the link is copied. Now comes the important part, that is how to download this reel using a downloader and which downloader to use. So we have shortlisted two downloaders, which is Inflat.com and Instafinster.com. Let's try out Inflat first. Okay, so in the home page, just go to downloader option. You have to just click on the tools tab first and then click on downloader. Here are options for Facebook downloader and Twitter downloader, but you have to just paste the reels link in the Instagram downloader tab. See, the link is pasted. Now hit on search. So after hitting on search, you see that the video has appeared over here. You just need to click on download. See, the video has started getting downloaded. The speed may vary a little bit because of the internet connectivity at your place. The faster the internet, the faster the video will get downloaded. It will take about 20 seconds. It's a 8.7 MB file, so it will take a little bit of time, maybe 15 seconds. Yeah, your video has got downloaded. Now you can share the video, we can do anything you want to do with it, and you can upload the video in your Instagram account as well, or you can share it on Facebook, you can share it with your friends, and you can do whatever you want to do with it. So this is one of the procedures. I'll show you how to do the same thing in Instafinster.com. So in the home page itself, there is an option for pasting the Instagram link that you want to download. Done the same thing which I've done in inflat.com. Pasted the video link and then click on search. After hitting search, you see the video has appeared that you want to download. So just click on download to download the Instagram reel. See, it has started getting downloaded. It will take some time because it's a 8.7 MB file, and also it will depend on the internet connectivity. So friends, this is how you can download your favorite Instagram reels or videos easily by accessing your Instagram account on your internet browser, and then just copying the link, and by using these two video downloaders you can download your reels or videos. This is how you can enjoy your favorite reels or videos even without have to uh, connecting to your internet. Can watch them offline. Stay with us, friends, a little bit. Take a bit of time, maybe.
Come there with a big thing vibe.
Will take a bit more time, friends. Stay with us. So you can also check for viral reels as well, random reels, by accessing accounts like this. The process is the same, just you have to click on the reel and then you have to just click on the three dots on the right hand side corner, and then you have to just copy the link and go to inflat.com or instafinster.com. So this is how also you can check for the viral and popular reels, or else you can just simply follow the artist or the celebrity that you are following on Instagram, and just you access their account, and from there you just check for the reels they have uploaded, and then you do your job, like downloading the reel and all. Okay, so there is a network issue. I'll just show you once again. I'll just try to do it once more for you.
Come there with a big thing vibe.
Let me check. I will try any other video. Let's try this one.
big thing vibe. From there with the vibe, 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 from there with the big thing vibe.
So 2 more seconds, friends. Yeah, the video has got downloaded. So here is the video. So friends, actually, it sometimes depends on the internet connectivity and also things related to servers and all while downloading such videos. So sometimes it may fail, and then you have to try out other options. So in this case, even if you have failed downloading the Kirti Sanam's video in Instafinster, you can download it by using inflat.com. So you have to just try out these options, and sometimes they get downloaded real fast and sometimes they don't. So that's the reason why we have come up with two options for you. So now finally this has got downloaded. Just open the video. Yeah, this is the reel that we were trying to download through Instafinster, but it was taking a bit of time. But it has got finally downloaded. So it also depends on the size of the file and also a bit of internet connection and the servers as well from where you are downloading. So friends, thanks a ton for watching the video and hope you enjoyed it a lot. And once again, I will request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Sandip Techfeed, follow our blog, ancienttrickster.com, and hit the bell icon to get the notification of our next video.